Paragon Induction Cooktop. The main feature of this cooktop is that it can be controlled through a specially designed mobile application. You can even control the temperature remotely. The device includes an induction cooktop with a burner diameter of 12 inches, a 1.5-inch display, touch buttons to control the temperature, and a built-in Bluetooth module. Maximum heating reaches 260 degrees Celsius. It also comes with thermometer clamps with magnetic fastening, which are designed to control and automatically adjust the temperature inside the pan. As for the frying pan and other utensils, this function is performed by the Paragon silicone mat, which is placed on the surface of the cooking zone under the dishes. You can buy the Paragon Induction Cooktop for $299. BedJet V2. This is a climate control system designed specifically for the bed. According to BedJet manufacturers, this new device can adapt to the biorhythms of sleeping people, providing them with a comfortable sleep and easy awakening. In addition, the BedJet V2 has a stylish design that distinguishes it from its analogs. This climate control system has the ability to quickly lower or raise the temperature of the bed. For example, in winter, the BedJet V2 evenly warms the bed to a comfortable temperature in just 180 seconds. And in the summer, the noiseless air system cools the bed, allowing you to turn off the air conditioner, preventing colds and drafts. All the settings of the device can be managed in the special application. BedJet V2 can be bought for $339. Everlight. This device combines several functions. Everlight works as a personal air conditioner, a humidifier, and an air purifier. The system consumes less energy than conventional air conditioners and requires only 10 watts of power. This is possible thanks to an innovative material called Everbreeze, which is made of basalt nanofibers and resembles paper. The mini air conditioner is basically a cube with a removable water tank and 2 grills on the sides. The working principle of this device is that the evaporating plates from the nanopaper absorb the water, and the internal fan drives the air through them, moistening and cleaning it from dust. Thus, Everlight works by evaporation of water, which occurs almost at any temperature. The cost of Everlight is $169.
7.
View. This video doorbell looks like a normal doorbell, but when someone calls at the door, the built-in camera activates and the visitor's image is displayed on a small screen indoors. In addition, the signal is transmitted to the owner's smartphone. Thanks to this, the user can monitor visitors both at home and away from it. The doorbell can be controlled using a special mobile application. The device has a 5-inch touchscreen display and a camera with a 180-degree viewing angle. Besides, you can set the device to start recording when the motion sensor is activated. Thanks to the built-in microphone and speakers, the user has the opportunity to speak with the visitor. The battery ensures trouble-free operation of the device for 2 months. The price of View is $249.
6.
Key Arista. Keyway Innovations Company, which specializes in the production of tea gadgets, has developed the innovative Key Arista teapot. The main feature of this smart device is the unique patented technology of preparation of the drink. The water temperature and brewing time are selected individually for each type of tea. Key Arista will help you to prepare a quality drink and avoid problems of excessive or insufficient brewing. The clever teapot is equipped with 6 pre-installed programs: cold tea, floral, green and black tea, oolong tea and milk tea. Also, Key Arista has 3 drink strength presets and can keep the tea hot for an hour. The mobile application Keyarista allows you to remotely control the preparation of the tea. The water temperature can be set accurate to a degree, and the heating time to the second. You can buy this device for $200. Q&C Nano. This is a convenient and small water purifier. Q&C Nano is an ideal solution for both homes and small offices. The device not only cleans the water, but also heats or cools it to the desired temperature. You can select the appropriate mode with the buttons located on the top panel of the device. In addition, it's worth noting that the Q&C Nano requires a filter change only after a year, so you can use one device for about 5,700 liters of water. This smart water purifier can be controlled using a mobile application as well. The cost of the Q&C Nano is $449. Tersa Steam. Over time, clothing wears out and loses its former appearance. This is due to improper care, numerous washings, and the effects of ironing. Besides, it takes a long time to iron clothes. This is the first wall-mounted, fully automated garment care system. The device irons the wrinkles, removes the unpleasant smell, and refreshes any clothes. Tersa Steam doesn't require external connection to a water supply and doesn't have a water tank. The device uses special capsules that don't contain any chemicals. The capsules have added smells designed to remove the unpleasant odor from clothes, giving them a fresh look. Tersa Steam needs only 10 minutes to get your clothes ready for use. This smart system costs $339. Mitter. In today's world, many people use water distillers. German manufacturers presented an innovative device for this. Mitter first distills ordinary water and then mineralizes it with the help of special replaceable cartridges. You can also set the degree of mineralization and the water temperature. It should be noted that this device has the ability to connect to the phone, allowing you to monitor the level of mineral content in the cartridge, as well as the temperature of the water. According to the manufacturers, one cartridge can enrich approximately 400 liters of water. This is enough for an average of 3 months for a whole family. You can choose mineral cartridges on your own depending on the desired result. The cost of Mitter is about $400. Kilo. This eco-friendly air cooler can be used as an evaporative cooler and an air humidifier. When the user adds water to a special tank, Kilo's evaporative cooling technology quickly reduces the temperature of incoming warm air, creating a refreshing, cool breeze. And in winter, for example, it is enough to add water and set a special mode in order to turn the device into an effective air humidifier. Kilo stands out for its quiet operation, energy-saving mode, and portability, and the price of Kilo is $159. Smart thermostat. Manufacturers of thermostats are trying to develop more advanced and innovative models, but most of them, designed for home use, still remain basically the same. So for example, Lux Geo has an LCD screen which displays all the necessary data and a special wheel to adjust the temperature. The device can be controlled both manually and remotely using a mobile application. There's also another recent thermostat model with similar functions and working principle. This model has a more modern design, and unlike Lux Geo, is equipped with a built-in proximity sensor that turns on the device's screen when someone is near. The average price of these thermostats is about $120.